Mga kaibigan, isang magandang gabi ho sa lahat, especially to all my organic followers from here in the Philippines at sa lahat ng buong mundo in all over the world, mga kaibigan, the whole universe, the whole world, mga kaibigan, from the United States of America, uh, Russia, China, and the Middle East countries, especially to all my students who are listening with me na nasa ibang bansa na yung iba, and also here in the country who serve the Filipino people, mga kaibigan. So, masyadong nagiging emotional po ako sa araw na ito when I was yung nakita ko po yung message ni BP Sara in my proud mentor sa aming paaralan po, in which that is IBE College of Mindanao. No, when BP Sara was message to our alma mater in college that I was a working student, simula nung pagtayo ng paaralan na yan, nang dyan na ho kami, mga kaibigan. IBE College of Mindanao, I born on that, mga kaibigan. So when time has come, all the teaching of Dr. Irene Antonio and Dr. Rinaldo Antonio Sr. and to all the Antonio's family, mga kaibigan, that is a family corporation. I was a working student for almost 10 years sa kanila ho ako, mga kaibigan. At doon nakatapos yung isa kong kapatid na si Junde. He is a graduate on that school also, mga kaibigan. But me, kami ho yung nagtayo sa building na yan, mga kaibigan. A working student. That Ma'am Irene said, work hard, study hard, Ramil, money will follow for your journey. Yan po ang kanyang sinasabi. So when I got to remember all the things or all the teaching and nurturing with me, that IBE College of Mindanao is my treasured and the most valuable, mas valuable pa siya sa mga mahahalagang bagay ho na makukuha natin sa mundo. Ito po yung edukasyon na ibinibigay, itinatanim sa akin. Simula nung nasa elementary po ako hanggang kolehiyo. But the college is the most sacrificial things in my life. I've done everything in my life. I am a working student. I am to become is a president on that school. I also became a governor in the College of Criminology. And also, I became a prefect of discipline on that school also. And also, I became an instructor of the school. So that's why, mga kaibigan, malaki po ang aking pasasalamat sa paaralan na yan. No, dako kaya kong pasalamat. So that's why, ako makikita ho, yung mata ko po ngayon, masyadong emotional ho. The working student, no? Lahat po alam po nila yan. Iilan lang kaming nagsusurvive dyan. Because they are allowing yourselves to sacrifice, to reach your dreams. So that's why that is my strong ground in my life. So that's why hindi po ako pwede bibilhin at utos-utusan po ng mga mali-mali po, mga kaibigan. So that's why I stand my ground. I stand my principle, in which yan po ang aking natutunan. Yan po ang teaching na aking natatanggap. Nurturing me to become a law-abiding citizens of the country, to serve the people, or we bowed to the people will be protected, mga kaibigan. Ako po'y magsiservisyo sa bayan at gagampanan ko po ng tunay at totoo ang serbisyo kong ito, mga kaibigan, kung saan po ako ngayon. Ang maiiyak lang po ako, mga kaibigan, sapagkat hindi na po nasisilayan lahat ni Ma'am Irene, ni Dr. Irene, ang kanyang mga natulungan. Ang dami na ho, mga kaibigan, especially ito. Planting a seeds at the top of the mountain, which is fall of the rocks. The cliffs of the mountain. Yan po. The strong trees who are grown in the mountain of rocks. So that's why, mga kaibigan, yan po ang ginagawa. Yan po ang naibibigay ni Dr. Irene ho sa amin. Lahat po ng mga working student ay very proud So that's why may strong discipline. Lahat po ng pumupunta, lahat po ng nandito sa bahay. Lahat po ng ito mga kaibigan ay bigay po ito ng Diyos. No? Bigay po ito ng Diyos sa akin. In Proverbs, nasa Proverbs. The reputation, the good reputations in life. Yan po ang magbibigay sa atin. Mas mahalaga po yun. Kaysa silver at saka gold. Yan ho mga kaibigan. Nagiging emotional no ako kanina. It is because yung nakita ko po yun, ay hindi ko ma-imagine. I've done everything pala sa mundong ibabaw na ito. Kaya hindi ako matatakot. Even all, in my agencies, in my organizations, that they can touch my principle and the doctrines of the law that are being implemented and enforcing the law of this country as a tools of the government, that they can remove me in my positions or in my service, no matter what, so be it. Ganun ho ang aking prinsipyo. If I've done wrong, if I've done fault in my life, kasi the truth, it's become reality. It's being expressed. All the liars out there ay magiging ano ho sila, hindi mapakali. At they are find you to become, to drag you down. Bibirahin kanila pababa niyan. Yan po ang prinsipyo sa mundong ibabaw na ito. When the lies is become law, and then all the liars be happy. If the truth were the hindrance of the liar, or the hindrance of the lie, or the liars, ay nagagalit. They get angry with you. They get angry with us. So I'm telling you the truth. I am truthful in my life. I'm done my life. All things on this universe is based of the wisdom of God. Lahat po ng aking natatanggap sa buhay na ito ay mula po sa Diyos. Diyos po ang nagpapalaki sa akin na mula po sa aking mga magulang, in which the representative of the God. I follow it in Efeso 6:1, di ba? Mamahalin nun natin ang mga magulang ho natin sa mundong ibabaw na ito. So that's why all the things that I can receive, kung ano pong nakikita ninyo sa akin ngayon, it is my sacrifice. It is all my sacrifice. It is not yours. I standing my ground, I stand my principle, I stand my the doctrines within the lines of the law, the nature and the law of the land. That my service is to upholding the constitutional conditions of my country. Yan lang po mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat, IBE College of Mindanao. You're my proud mentor. I love you so much. I love you so much. All Antonius family and family corporations, lahat sa inyo tanan. Dr. Irene at Dr. Rinaldo Antonio Sr., kung saan man ho kayo na ilalagay ng Diyos po ngayon, ito na ho ang natulungan nyo.